Student Association Dipu Regional Committee holds Peace and Awareness Rally in Dipu, reiterates its demand for autonomous state. Waterlogging creates trouble in Rongjangpong Mini Primary Health Center. Teenagers encountered wild elephants in West Karbi. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Live, Voice of Karbi. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. The Karbi Students Association KSA Dipu Regional Committee had on Tuesday evening organized Peace and Awareness Torchlight Rally in Dipu. It was led by President Thang Sing Timung, General Secretary Budho Terang, and all core members of the Central Committee, its branches. The Karbi Students Association kept immediate implementation of the Article 244A to the Constitution of India, which is the long-standing demand of the people of the Hills District of Assam, as their top demand. They said that the government of Assam and the central government must take early steps for the creation of an autonomous state to give way to permanent peace in Karbi Anglong. In order to safeguard the rights of the indigenous tribes of Karbi Anglong, the Karbi Students Association had demanded that the names of all non-tribal voters should be deleted from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council voter list. No trading license should be given to non-tribal businessmen in order to give opportunity to the indigenous traders. They have also vehemently demanded cancellation of all land pattas in the name of non-tribal communities, and no further patta should be issued to them.
প্রথমবার বিজেপি কি কৰিলে আমি অসমীয়া ভাষী মানুহকো টিকট দিছো চাহ বাগানৰ আদিবাসীকো আমি টিকট দিছো বড়ো জনগোষ্ঠীকো আমি টিকট দিছো আমি হিন্দী ভাষীকো টিকট দিছো আমি ডিমাছাকো টিকট দিছো আৰু প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে কাৰ্বি আলঙত বঙালী ভাষীৰ পৰাও টিকট দিয়া হৈছে
কাৰ্বি আলঙত বিশেষকৈ বোকাজানত আমাৰ ডক্টৰ নুমল মমিনে মোক সদায় কয় যে ইয়াত জাদৰাই গেন্টৰ মাটি হোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ মানুহে কোনো মাটি পোৱা নাই এতিয়া জাদৰাইটো ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত গুচি গ'ল গতিকে তেওঁৰ নামত আৰু মানুহে কষ্ট নাপাব তেওঁৰ নামটো ভাল কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি সকলোকে মাটিৰ অধিকাৰ আমি দিব লাগিব যাতে তেখেতেও পুণ্য আত্মা পাব পাৰে আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াতো মানুহে মাটিৰ অধিকাৰ পাব পাৰে হয়নে নহয় আৰে জাদৰাই নাই তুলিৰাম সবক মাটি দিব লাগিব এটি হৈছে মেইন কথা ঠিক আছে সকলো মানুহ খুশিত থাকিব লাগিব হয়নে নহয়
Raising their voice against the increasing rate of unemployment, the Karbi Student Association said that many deserving youths are deprived of jobs because of the cash for job trend in the district. They had urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take action on the job scams, and the deprivation of deserving candidates should not continue in the future.
Article 244 Kecaya rolong tok ang kami mempunang bela di pasien si pemberi. Next rolong asal biar dimonto bisa sama keringin. Non tribal kita long lepas. Tribal kita regulation. Karbi lo chale sobe si baru tu.
More than 500 youths had participated in the Torchlight Rally, which initiated from the Karbi Student Association office at Rongteang, covered the entire Difu main town area. It may be mentioned that raising the same demand, Karbi Student Association had recently conducted a bike rally from Difu to Hawarkehat. Longsodaring T's report, Karbi Anglong Live. Due to incessant rainfall, a mini primary health center was clogged with water, causing disturbance to the public of Rongjangpong and adjoining villages at Chinthong constituency. This incident happens often whenever continuous rainfall occurs due to the severely leaking roof of all the three of the sub-center. It is reported that the medical health center is deprived of all the basic facilities required in a health center. There is shortage of beds and not a single ambulance in case of emergency. Moreover, there is no lavatory facility at the center. They have a total of 5 permanent employees at the center, but only 3, along with 1 contractual employee, are working regularly. The employees of Rongjangpong Mini Primary Health Center appeals through the social media platform to the higher authority to intervene and furnish the health center with all the basic facilities. The employees informed that several complaints and memorandums have been submitted to the government from the last 10 years, yet no any constructive steps had been taken from the government.
বৰ্তমানটো আমাৰ হস্পিটেলৰ অৱস্থা খুবেই বেয়া। প্ৰথমটো ইনফ্ৰাষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ একেবাৰে বেয়া, হস্পিটেল আৰু ষ্টাফ কোৱাৰ্টাৰ্ছ আৰু যিখিনি বেছিক নিডছ সেইটো একোৱেই নাই ক'ব গ'লে। আৰু আপোনালোকে নিজ চকু দি চাই আছে পানী কেনেকৈ পৰি আছে। যিমান আমাৰ প্ৰপাৰ্টিজ আছে সেইকেইটাও মানে আমি মেইনটেইন কৰিব পৰা নাই, প্লাছ আমাৰ ষ্টাফো ইনচাফিচিয়েণ্ট, মানে যিমানখিনি ষ্টাফ থাকিব লাগে সিমানখিনি নাই। আমাৰ ষ্টাফ বৰ্তমান ৰেগুলাৰ 3 জন আছে, এনে টোটেল ৰেগুলাৰ পোষ্ট 5 জন, কিন্তু আমাৰ ইয়াত 5 জন নাই। বৰ্তমান 3 জন কৰি আছে আৰু কণ্ট্ৰেকচুৱেল এজন আছে, এইখিনি আৰু ন। তো আমি বহুবাৰ আমাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট হায়াৰ অথৰিটিত মানে আমি এপ্লিকেশ্যন কৰিছোঁ, জনাইছোঁ যে আমাক আমাৰ এইবোৰ অসুবিধা আছে, ৰাইজেও কষ্ট পাইছে, কিন্তু মানে সেইটোৰ উত্তৰ আজিলৈকে পোৱা নাই আৰু।
If it is the case, then it is a clear sign of negligence from the authority towards the medical health center. The people of Rongjangpong and its adjoining villages rest their hope to the newly elected MSc from Chinthong constituency.
La pulo la arbe ke jang pulote do thai be pinlo hili ke hinar kale room isierum na khali available hiri sab arbe ang selo ke lang bungzi la ke nonta lang thedu dan lo nasi okola arbe ke jang ke do thai be chota kali lang sugida ra belang plus la suipa ra belang hem de methang lo charkok nai methang si pesen chilang nang po sar mentune sar masi methang thang charkok nili methang pen sister otumlo malo hem charkok ta
Hemari Rongpar's report from Chinthong, Karbi Live. On late Monday evening, 3 teenagers encountered wild elephant at Bormati Khula area. This unfortunate incident was encountered when they were on their way back to home after dropping their friend at Arnam Teplong. The incident took place late Monday evening when group of friends were returning from Arnam Teplong area after dropping their friend at his residence. The teenagers were on their bicycles when they encountered wild elephants out of nowhere at the middle of the road at Bormati Khula area, 4 kilometers away from Keruni. The teenagers tried to escape and ran for their lives. Unfortunately, one teenager, identified as Borim Pangcho, 13 years of age, crashed straight into the elephant. The elephant, out of fear, retaliated and attacked the youngster. The youngster obtained severe injury. The villagers came out to rescue them when one of the teenagers was yelling for help.
Rijaban tentang ting olmati ama cicini ni dalo tobaranta ke theklong pami e dalong ke ya nan sing na tawang lo ke thektalong dalo pare hala ang bong ke do bang en tumbang thomang lo pare aprang siba par jalo pare ang bong bang e puri lo chitong der lo mala bang daksi do lo pare ni tumta tong lunder man tumbang e thang the dalo sita ne bang e keson ni jok chilo pare tumbai kajilo dakpa ama ala bang si phodalo amen ne bor im bang chuk.
The villagers managed to chase the elephants and rescue the teenagers. The victim Bor Impangcho was immediately taken to Karbi Hospital for his immediate medication, but due to his critical injury, he was later referred to Hojai.
Thum dam pen dak hospital long mansi admit lo anta dak bange in elo basi kapen refer to Karbi amasi Hojai chipona kulo Hojai hospital along sit amar adak kipon seksi tami le amilo lapen adak kilipen ang pansi tami admit fitlo.
The victim Bor Impangcho was the son of Longki Pangcho, resident of Langdisa, Dimahasao. He is in 7th standard at Mon Memorial English School, Karbi, currently residing at Aman Tharvi Hidi village for his higher studies. Mohan Teron report from Karbi, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.